So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app error loading message on your Android phone and your Gmail not opening. Okay. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so just follow this video to fix this issue. First thing is guys, you check your internet connection. So if your internet is not working properly, so this is the most common reason behind it. Okay, for this, first of all, you simply swipe down and here you turn on your airplane mode and turn off your airplane mode once. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is you try to switch between the network. So guys, if you are using the Wi-Fi, so you try to use the mobile data, and if you are using the mobile data, so you try to Wi-Fi network. Okay, another thing is guys, you restart your Outlook application. For restarting the Outlook application, you simply open your app. Okay, when your app is open, you simply swipe up and completely close your application. Okay, another thing is guys, next step is force stop your Outlook. For force stop, simply open your Outlook application and long press on it. Then guys, go to the app info. After clicking on the app info, here you see the option of storage and caches. So just click it. Before it, here you see the option of force stop. Okay, this is the way that you can done. Another thing is guys, you clear your Outlook caches, so it is more effective. For this, again long press on your app, then go to the app info and simply go to the option of storage and caches, and guys here you simply click on clear caches. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can done. Still having the issue, so guys, you try to update your Outlook application. For updating the Outlook application, open the Play Store. Okay, after that go search, and here you simply search the Outlook. Click here, then click here and click on the option of update. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. Last thing, you try to restart your phone. For restarting, simply press volume down button and your power button, and according to your phone. Otherwise, you simply go here and click this power icon and simply tap on the option of restart. So guys, these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.